In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create UK drill inside of Suno AI. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Suno AI like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go over to create button over here after you are logged into your account. Then from here, you need to go down to this plus icon for the easiest step and go over to add audio. You can find different audio on Looperman, or you can also create your own loops if you want to do that. But the simplest part is just to download one of their loops, which is free. Then from here, you need to add in the audio and drag and drop the audio right here. Then from here, you can listen to it if you want to do that, but I want to just save without trimming. Then from here, it should be looking something like this, where it's uploading, and it can take a couple seconds to 30 seconds about for it to finalize, and then you can use this loop. Then from here, you need to click confirm and save and close this down right here. And as you can see over here, it will automatically use this loop. Then from here, you need to go up to the prompts. And if you don't already have prompts, I have a bunch of them listed down in the description below. You need to write in the prompts. We need to make drill, or UK drill. We want a bouncy bass, drums. We need it to be dark and 140 beats per minute. 4 times, and we want the beat to be D major chord. Then from here, you need to click create. Then Suno AI will create 2 different beats with this sample, and we can take a listen to it when it's done rendering. And the next one. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!